Father's Day is right around the corner, and if your dad is the kind of guy who's happiest standing behind a grill with a spatula in one hand and a cold drink in the other, then you know that finding a gift that's both practical and exciting can be a challenge. That's why we've put together a list of 10 of the best Father's Day gifts for dads who love grilling. So if you're looking to make this Father's Day extra special, stick around because these gift ideas might just earn you the title of Favorite Child. We'll put the updated price and purchase links down in the description for your convenience. Subscribe if you haven't already, and let's begin. If your dad loves firing up the grill but hates dealing with the mess afterward, then the GRILLION electric grill brush might be one of the most practical Father's Day gifts on this list. Instead of spending several minutes scrubbing stubborn grease and burnt-on residue by hand, this cordless electric brush uses a high-speed motor to do most of the hard work for you. What really makes it stand out is the built-in soap dispenser, which lets you apply cleaning solution directly onto the grill surface while you clean, eliminating the need for a separate spray bottle. It also comes with interchangeable chain and wire brush heads, giving you the flexibility to tackle everything from flat-top griddles to traditional grill grates and those hard-to-reach corners. The rechargeable battery charges through USB-C, and the onboard display keeps you updated on battery life and cleaning modes. The brush is designed to break through grease, carbon buildup, and leftover food residue with far less effort than traditional manual brushes. For dads who grill every weekend, camp regularly, or simply appreciate tools that save time, this is one of those gifts that they'll actually use instead of tossing into a drawer. It's practical, unique, and turns one of the least enjoyable parts of grilling into something a whole lot easier. Now, if you're looking for a Father's Day gift that's guaranteed to make a grilling-loving dad's jaw drop, the Kamado Joe Konnected Joe is in a completely different league. This isn't just a charcoal grill. It's a smart, Wi-Fi-enabled ceramic grill and smoker that combines traditional charcoal cooking with modern digital controls. With the push of a button, the built-in automatic fire starter ignites the charcoal, while the digital control board and companion app let you set temperatures, monitor cooks, right from your phone. What makes the Konnected Joe so impressive is that it still delivers everything people love about Kamado-style cooking. You get exceptional heat retention, the ability to grill, smoke, roast, bake, and sear, plus Kamado Joe's divide and conquer cooking system that lets you cook different foods at different temperatures at the same time. The control fan automatically manages airflow to help maintain precise temperatures, making long smoking sessions much easier, especially for beginners. Now, it is definitely a premium investment, but for the dad who lives for backyard BBQs, weekend smoking sessions, and experimenting with new recipes, the Konnected Joe is the kind of gift that can completely transform the way he cooks outdoors. This is less of a grill and more of the ultimate backyard cooking machine. Your dad is the guy who somehow ends up juggling 3 different tools at once? Then the GRILLION 7-in-1 BBQ Spatula might be the gift he never knew he needed. Instead of carrying around a whole collection of grilling accessories, this clever tool combines multiple functions into one heavy-duty design, making it perfect for backyard BBQs, tailgates, camping trips, and weekend cookouts. You're getting 7 functions in one design: a spatula for flipping burgers and steaks, a fork for handling meat, a built-in bottle opener for obvious reasons, a grill scraper for cleaning off residue while things are still hot, plus a meat tenderizer, a vegetable knife, and even a steak knife edge built right into the tool. So instead of constantly reaching for different utensils mid-cook, everything is right there in one hand. It's built from durable stainless steel, designed to handle high grill temperatures without bending or feeling flimsy. And it's paired with a wooden handle that gives you a more comfortable, controlled grip while you're working over the heat. There's also that bold skull-style cutout design, which gives it a more unique, standout look compared to your average boring grill tools. And honestly, that's what makes this such a great Father's Day gift. It's practical, fun, and something most grill-loving dads will actually use every time they fire up the grill. There's something about real BBQ flavor that gas grills alone just can't fully replicate. And that's where the Grillaholics Smoker Box comes in. It's one of those small Father's Day gifts that makes a surprisingly big difference. We all know the struggle. Gas grills are convenient, but they often miss that deep, smoky flavor you usually only get from a dedicated smoker. This little box fixes that instantly. You just fill it with wood chips like hickory, mesquite, place it right over the heat source, and let it start producing real smoke that infuses everything you're cooking. It's built from heavy-duty stainless steel, so it holds up well under high heat, and the hinged lid makes refilling quick and mess-free mid-cook. The vented design helps the smoke circulate evenly across the grill, so whether it's ribs, chicken, steak, or even vegetables, you get that consistent smoky flavor throughout. And what makes it a solid pick in this list is how effortless it is. No complicated setup, no learning curve, no extra equipment. Just drop it in and let it work while you focus on grilling. It fits most gas and charcoal grills, which makes it a super versatile add-on. So for the dads who love grilling, this is one of those simple upgrades that quietly takes the whole BBQ experience to the next level. Now if you want to go with a classic Father's Day gift that's simple, practical, and always gets used, the GRILLION 5 Pieces Grilling Tools Set is exactly that kind of win. This is a 5-in-1 essential kit that covers the core tools any grilling setup needs. You get a spatula, BBQ fork, grill tongs, a meat thermometer, and a silicone basting brush. So instead of scrambling for mismatched tools every time the grill gets fired up, everything is already in one organized set. All the tools are built from food-grade stainless steel, which means they're designed to handle real heat, real use, and repeated cookouts without bending or wearing out easily. And the ergonomic handles make a big difference here. They give you a solid, comfortable grip, which helps reduce fatigue when you're flipping, turning, or basting over longer grilling sessions. Another thing that stands out is how travel-ready this set is. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and comes with a storage bag, making it perfect for backyard BBQs, camping trips, or even tailgate cooking. Plus, each tool has a built-in hanging loop, so keeping everything organized on the grill station is super simple. And honestly, this is one of those Father's Day gifts that just makes sense. Practical, complete, and ready to use right out of the box for any dad who takes grilling seriously. This next Father's Day gift is all about safety meeting serious grilling performance. The Grill Rescue Grilling Gloves. Unlike regular grill gloves that just focus on heat resistance, these are designed with a more practical, clean and protect approach for real backyard cooking. The standout feature here is the aramid fiber heat-resistant shell paired with a removable, replaceable cleaning head that actually lets you wipe down hot grill grates while you're cooking. So instead of just protecting your hands, these gloves double as a tool for maintaining the grill mid-session. They're built to handle extremely high temperatures, giving you that confidence to move grates, adjust hot tools, and manage food right over direct heat without hesitation. The one-size-fits-most design also makes them easy to share across different users, which is great for family cookouts or group grilling sessions. What really makes these stand out in a Father's Day lineup is the fact that they don't just sit in a drawer. They're something you actively reach for every time the grill gets fired up, especially when things get hot, messy, and fast-paced. Now let's talk about one of those underrated but super practical upgrades for any serious griller, the GRILLION BBQ Light. Because let's be real, grilling doesn't always happen in perfect daylight. Whether it's late-night BBQ sessions, camping trips, or just cooking after sunset, visibility becomes a real issue. And this is where this grill light actually makes a difference. It features a high-performance COBLED panel that throws out a wide 170-degree beam, basically lighting up the entire grill surface so you can see exactly what you're doing. On top of that, there's also a detachable front light that you can use separately for things like camping, repairs, or general outdoor use, which adds a nice bit of versatility. Power-wise, it runs on a built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery with USB-C fast charging, giving you up to hours of runtime depending on the mode. The mounting system is also pretty solid. It uses a combination of a magnetic base and adjustable clamp, so it fits most grill handles and stays locked in place even when things heat up. Small foods on the grill are where things usually go wrong. Shrimp slipping through the grates, veggies sticking, wings getting scorched before you can even turn them. The Mountain Griller's Veggie Grill Basket is built to solve exactly that problem. Instead of fighting with loose pieces on the grill, this basket keeps everything contained while still letting that smoke and heat flow through. The thin slotted stainless steel design is the key here. It's engineered so you get that real BBQ flavor without losing half your food into the fire. It's perfect for everything from chopped vegetables to seafood and bite-sized meats, giving you a way to cook smaller items evenly without constant attention. You can stir, toss, and flip everything in one go instead of managing each piece individually, which honestly makes grilling feel way more relaxed. Built from durable 430-grade stainless steel, it holds heat wefts and uses curved handles so you can lift and serve directly when you're done cooking. And cleanup doesn't turn into another job either. Just rinse it off or throw it in the dishwasher. Shredding meat is one of those BBQ tasks that looks easy until you're actually standing there trying to break down a hot brisket with regular forks. That's exactly where the Mountain Griller's bare meat claws come in. These are designed to replace the old-school fork method with something faster, cleaner, and way more controlled. You just grip, pull, and shred through pork, chicken, or beef in seconds, which makes them especially useful after long smoking sessions when the meat is perfectly tender but still piping hot. And because they're built with heat-resistant materials, you can handle food straight off the grill or smoker without worrying about burning your hands. Comfort also plays a big role here. The ergonomic non-slip handles make it easier to apply steady pressure, so you're not straining your grip while breaking down heavier cuts. For a Father's Day grilling gift, this one is all about speed, control, and making brisket nights way less of a workout. Now, not every dad wants the oversized bear claw style tools when it comes to shredding meat, and that's exactly where the OXO Good Grips meat shredding claws make a lot of sense. Instead of going for a bulky design, this set keeps things simple, practical, and super comfortable to use. They're built to shred through pulled pork, chicken, beef, brisket, turkey, and roasts quickly and efficiently, so you can break down smoked meats in seconds without the mess of using forks. The long handles are a big plus here, keeping your hands safely away from the heat while you work, and the contoured grip makes them feel secure and easy to control even during longer BBQ sessions. The teeth also interlock in 2 positions, giving you better shredding control depending on how fine or coarse you want the meat. They're heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and designed to double as lifting and transferring tools, which makes them useful straight from slow cookers, pressure cookers, or the grill. So that was our list of best Father's Day gifts for dads who love grilling. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reveal your thoughts in the comments section and share this video if you find it helpful. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.